Hello, my name is Samuel Tayato, and I was privileged to be part of the just ended drone program organized by CTN Technologies. During the 2 days program, I've learned a lot. I've learned how to create drones, the calculations made in order to get your flight time and all that. And this has added to my foreknowledge.
Hello, my name is Sana Nyampuma Jr., a recent participant of the just ended UAV drone training program organized by CTN Technologies. And then it was an interesting and then very educative program. I've learned a lot of basic skills and understanding of drones in general.
My name is Jesse Asidio Akrofi, and coming to this event was something I was looking forward to. And when I came I met my expectation. The one who took us through the drone training did a lot of work, and he did things that I've never seen before concerning drone making and also drone flights. And it has been an amazing experience. I just hope for another training, probably if the organizers are able to set up one. Looking forward to the future. Thank you.